Hey everyone! Welcome to Ecotourism and Stuff, the channel where we explore all things travel, tourism, and the exciting careers that make this industry thrive. We're currently in the middle of a series where we explore 97 incredible careers in tourism, and trust me, you won't want to miss a single one. Today, we're zooming in on the fast-paced world of events and conferences. From managing large-scale festivals to planning unforgettable weddings, these professionals are the masterminds behind every seamless event. If you're passionate about creating memorable experiences and want to learn more about the behind-the-scenes magic, you're in the right place. And of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in tourism careers. Now, let's dive in. First up, we have the event manager. They oversee the planning and execution of events, ensuring everything runs smoothly from start to finish. An event manager is a multitasker, skilled in organization and problem-solving. Next, meet the wedding planner. This role is all about love and creativity, helping couples bring their dream wedding to life. From choosing venues to managing timelines, wedding planners create magical moments. Conference coordinators play a crucial role in organizing educational events. They handle logistics, schedule speakers, and ensure participants have a seamless experience. The convention center manager oversees operations at large venues, ensuring everything is in place for events ranging from trade shows to conventions. Their role involves facilities management and customer service. An event host sets the tone for the event, guiding attendees through the schedule and keeping the energy high. Their charisma and communication skills are key to a successful event. Trade show coordinators organize industry exhibitions, coordinating with vendors and exhibitors to create a successful networking environment. They focus on promotion and logistics. Festival organizers bring communities together through music, arts, and culture. They plan everything from permits to entertainment, creating fun-filled experiences for attendees. Finally, we have the event marketing specialist, who crafts promotional strategies to attract attendees. They utilize social media and digital marketing to ensure events are well attended. These are just a few of the exciting careers in the events and conferences industry. Each role plays a vital part in creating memorable experiences. Are you ready to dive into this dynamic field? Explore your passion for events. Like and subscribe for more insights.